Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to buy an Adobe subscription via student discount. Alright, let's begin. First, open your preferred browser and search for Adobe plans. Click on the official Adobe website from the search results and wait for it to load completely. Once on the site, navigate to the Teachers and Students section. Here, you'll see the Buy Now button. Go ahead and click on it to start the process. Next, you'll be prompted to click Continue and enter the required payment details. Make sure to fill in all necessary fields accurately to avoid any issues with your subscription. Once all information is entered correctly, click on Subscribe to finalize your purchase. After completing these steps, your Adobe subscription will be active with the student discount applied, giving you full access to Adobe's creative tools at a reduced price. So that's basically how you can buy an Adobe subscription via student discount. That's it for this video. Thanks.